Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to fix your lashes. If you are a beginner and you have no idea how to fix lashes, then this video is exactly for you. It's really hot, so I'm gonna finish the intro really quick. I have been using Lash and this duo from MAC Cosmetics, and this has been always my favorite, and I haven't used any other glue apart of this. So today we will be trying this magnetic lashes and we'll see how that goes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Comes with 10 pair of lashes, 2 lash glues and 1 lash applicator. And the best thing is that once you're done using, you just have to put it back in the box and they are super safe. You guys can see that small magnet attached there, so it's going to keep your lashes in shape and perfect. So let's get into the demo. I'm first using natural lashes. The instruction says I have to apply the lash glue 3 coats and let it sit for a minute, and then I can start applying my eyelashes. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm applying 2 to 3 coats. I'm going to repeat the same on the other side of my eye as well. And then I'm going to start fixing my lashes. To fix my eyelashes, I will first fix my lashes in the center of the eyes, and then outer corner and inner corner. So like you guys can see what I'm doing. Fix it in the center, outer corner and inner corner. That's all you have to do. Isn't this the easiest thing? It's just like you're applying a eyeliner and fixing your lashes on that. You guys can see my reaction. I'm so happy with these lashes. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well. Just fixing these lashes, and that's it. We are done. This is what the lashes look like. They are very comfortable and you can use this on everyday basis. Now I just wanted to try another pair of lashes. So it is easy to remove, super easy to remove. Now let's try a little heavy lashes. So I'm going to try a volumizing one. I didn't apply the lash glue again. I'm just using the same lash glue that I applied for the first time, and that's it. It is really amazing, you guys. Okay, so you guys have already seen the demo. I am in love with these lashes. These are amazing, and I am going to purchase more of these. And if you are having a doubt, please go ahead and purchase it. There's no doubt at all. These are amazing. The only thing is you might have to carry the lash glue everywhere just in case. Yeah, like I was telling, you might have to carry this lash glue everywhere just in case, but this is so small and handy, so you can just drop it in your handbag and take it anywhere you want. These are so easy to apply and I'm totally in love with them. So that's it for this video. If you guys like the video, you know what to do. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, take care.